I'm Immortal K. Nice to meet you. And yeah, I'm going to perform my Survivor's track today. So yeah, let's get right into it, I suppose.
My furniture, the people, our future is unclear, but the nation is still here. I cry for help, falling on deaf ears, but I know our salvation is there. I'll still take a stand for land, demand an impact as they throw the gas. For the guns, I'll show no fear. I'll be glad to return to my Mother Earth, like my ancestors, who I lived and served, who are true just to be heard. If we learned how to use our powerful minds, we'd all start to thrive, as we already survived 3 different types of genocide. And as it looks like that people die, our ways just start to rise. Even Jesus only rose one time. We are survivors, we're gonna make it. Our culture, we saved it. Native pride never erasing. A better tomorrow we are chasing. We are survivors, we're gonna make it. Our culture, we saved it. Native pride never erasing. A better tomorrow we are chasing. If we look at our wampum history, we follow one way as a 6A, and now send a legacy. Generations of great peace, but our peacemaker told our chiefs that there's gonna be some people that cross the seas. Treat them as an equal, they're not all evil. This eventually led them to taking the policies to build a democracy. Ha! The government, a bunch of thieves, they still do that. Ain't that bittersweet? But we're taking our culture from all these museums, a bunch of vultures. We more than just a number, we warriors like no other. We are survivors, we're gonna make it. Our culture, we saved it. Native pride never erasing. A better tomorrow we are chasing. We are survivors, we're gonna make it. Our culture, we saved it. Native pride never erasing. A better tomorrow we are chasing. Even though we've all suffered, we've all lost a father, lost a brother, lost a sister, lost a mother. Instead of turning on each other, we should quickly recover. I don't even listen to the outside noise, and I use the power of my voice. To the kid buried in the ground that never had a voice, to be taken from the family, never had that choice. I do this because it is my choice. To the ones that suffered in silence, to the ones in a generation of violence, for the kids that tried to run home but were chased by the sirens. We should ask the government to compensate. Oh wait, they still delay for the land which they still haven't fully paid. It's a true disgrace. Hey government, you should tell the people the truth. It'll set you free, but you know if you do, it'll spread like wildfire all over the news. Millions of views that if you attempt to pay us back, the whole country would be a debt. I say it with my chest. Now that the words are out of my breath, I've accepted that. They're gonna want me dead. Immortal K out.